I'm soaked. My underwear is wet. Didn't work out as I expected.
We just arrived in Gothenburg and checked into a hotel where we had luck again and the room was ready 3 hours before it's ready usually. So now we're going back to our car and are looking for a free parking lot because parking in Gothenburg is like quite a hard thing and an expensive thing. So wish us luck.
Mission completed.
Now we're heading to the sauna.
When the rain stopped for a while, we took the free electric ferry to the city center. As we arrived on the south shore, we went straight to the food court because we were so hungry.
Walking around with shorts and t-shirts.
And I'm soaked. My underwear is wet from the rain.
This evening we went to the sauna for a second time. The next day the weather was perfect for exploring Gothenburg.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cup my tea. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the
Here we are in the famous Haga Nygata. It's one of Gothenburg's oldest neighborhoods and a very popular shopping street with a lot of cafes and boutiques. Perfect for window shopping on a sunny day.
back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on.
Let's get some good coffee. Good husband. What do you think of your decaf?
It's really good. Just waiting for the sun to come back out of the clouds and shine on my face.
It's so good and so warm. And we found very cool cafe. I found it actually on ChatGPT. The coffee tastes really good. They have such a cool concept where you can buy your machines, you can buy their own roasted coffee, you can buy coffee equipment, they can repair your machine. It's a pretty cool concept.
They also have different kinds of decaf, which is really cool because other coffee shops like just have one brand or one sort of decaf, and they have like 3 or 4, which is really cool and very rare.
Yeah, because why drink coffee without caffeine? Because it tastes good.
After our coffee break, we continued our walk through the city and enjoyed this lovely summer weather. Along the way, we came across Gothenburg's Garden Society, which is a huge park and Europe's best preserved 19th century park.
Nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone and all I have is time. And though you're not here anymore, I still think about you. 'Cause baby, yeah, I didn't forget you.
There are many roses.
Didn't work out as I expected.
What did you want to hear?
What do you think of the houses?
Oh, they're nice. Yeah, they're lovely.
Is it better than the Mirabell garden in Salzburg?
More natural, and the houses, yeah, it's more natural. The houses are well sustained, and in Salzburg it's like dress to impress.
Yeah.
For houses.
Yeah. And here it's like more like a home garden.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in fears, it's like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the road.
This house is so cool. It looks like the plant house in Harry Potter.
Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees.
That's just Nizza flashbacks. So tight.
At midnight, so hard to please. Drowning in fears is like
After exploring Gothenburg the whole day, we were super hungry and treated ourselves in this fancy restaurant.